Welcome to online education program. So, this session we are going to discuss weighted average price relatives index method. So, under weighted method, see in the weighted method, weighted index method, weighted index number under that two classification I already mentioned. So, that is one is weighted aggregative method, weighted aggregative method, and another one is weighted average, weighted average price relative method. So, in the previous session we discussed weighted aggregative method. Under that various methods, Laspier's, Pastier's, Fisher index and Marshall and Edwards method. Now, here two methods we are in the weighted average price index method, that is under that arithmetic mean method, arithmetic mean basis and geometric mean basis. So, here it should be calculate what is the P naught 1, that is the index number under weighted average price relatives methods. So, under the geometric mean and the P naught 1 under the what is that arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So, here under arithmetic mean, so P naught 1 equals that is summation of P into weights, that is W, divided by summation of W. So, P is nothing but P1 divided by P0 into 100. So, W is nothing but P0 and Q0. Base year price and base year quantity will get what is the weights. Now, like that is a P equals, that is a P1 divided by P0 into 100, that is a index value, that is the price index will be get. So, summation of P into W divided by summation of W will get arithmetic mean of the weighted average price relatives method. Like that under geometric mean, P naught 1, that is the price index under the geometric mean equals anti-log of summation of log P into weights whole divided by summation of weights. So, we will get the index value under the geometric mean. This is the two formula. So, here one case is given, compute the price index from the following data by using or by applying weighted average price relatives method. So, weighted average price relatives method has to use it under that AM and GM method, that is arithmetic mean method and geometric mean method. Arithmetic mean method under weighted average price relatives methods, arithmetic mean method nothing but summation of P into weights divided by summation of weights. So, P is calculated that is the P1 divided by P0 into 100, then weights is calculated based on the P0 into Q0. So, weights is calculated based on P0 into Q0. So, according to that, so we will get, to simplify this, we will get the arithmetic mean of index value. Then based on the geometric, second one geometric mean of what is that index value is given. So, index value equals anti-log of summation of log P into weights divided by summation of weights. So, we will simplify this, we will get the index number under the geometric mean. Now, calculate this question using this table, that is a commodity is given, base year price is given, base year quantity is given, then current year price is given. According to this data, you have to construct the index number under the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean of weighted average price relatives method. Now, as to prepare the table, under the table. So, it includes various under this table solution, one is commodity, commodity A, B, C, only 3 commodities, then P0, Q0, then after that P1, Q1 is not given, current year quantity is not given. So, that is a P0 is nothing but a base year price 632 base year price, base year quantity 40, 80, 20, then current year price 8, 3.2 and 3. Now calculate P value, So P value is nothing but P1 divided by P0 into 100. So that is as to 8 divided by 6 into 100. So 8 divided by 6 into 100, that is 133.33. Then 3.2 divided by 3 into 100. So simplify this. So this is 106.67. 106.666. Then 3 divided by 2 into 100. 3 divided by 2 into 100. So that is 150. So summation of P equals. So we will get 389.99. Then after that, to calculate the weights. So weight is calculated based on weight equals, that is P0 Q0. Multiplication of these two will get the what is the weights. So that is 6 into 40, that is 240. 6 into 40, 3 into 80, so 240. 2 into 20, that is 40. So total of this 520. Now in the next column, that is calculate P into W, multiplication of these two columns. So that is 133.33 into 240. So we will get 31,999.2. Next, after that 106.66 into 240, that is 25,598.4. Then 150 into 40, so we will get 6,000. So summation of P into W, that is 63,597.6. Now calculate the what is that index number of arithmetic mean basis and geometric mean basis. So that is number 1 under arithmetic mean of index value. So that is P01 equals sigma P into W divided by sigma W. So summation of P into W is 63,597.6 divided by sigma weights is nothing but 520. So 520. So we will get that is 122.3 under arithmetic mean of index value under the weighted average price relatives methods. Number 2 is geometric mean of index value equals. So that is P01 equals anti-log of that is summation of log P into weights whole divided by summation of W, weights. So that is anti-log of summation of log P. So log P is log P has to calculate that is one more column. So in extension of this column, that is called it as log P log P has to calculate, P is calculated 133.33 for log value of this, that is called it as 2.1249. So, log of 133.33 is 2.1249. So, log of 106.67 is 2.0280. Then log of 150, that is 2.1760, that is a log P. So, summation of log P equals, that is so addition of these three, 6.3289. Then after that it comes to log P into W. So, W we calculated here 240, 240 and 40. So, log P is there, multiplication of this 2.1249 into 240, 2.0280 into 240, 2.176 into 40. So, we will get the log P W column, that is 509.97, then 2.028 into 240. So, that is 486.69 and 2.1760 into 40. So, we will get 87.404. So, summation of log P W is 1083 into 716. So, then to apply the formula, geometric mean of index value, the index value equals anti-log of summation of log P into weights divided by summation of weights. So, summation of log P into weights, so will we get that is 10 what is that 1083.7716 divided by, so weights of summation of weights is 520. So, multiplication of these two, so we will get anti-log of, so that is 2.0840, that is then we will get the anti-log of this, we will get 121.3. This is the value under the geometric mean of index value. So, this is the case under this, under weighted index, aggregative index, weighted aggregative method and weighted average price relatives method, and under that two methods, that is one is geometric, arithmetic and geometric. Arithmetic mean, so summation of P into weights divided by summation of weights. So, the P value will get P1 divided by P0 into 100, weights will get P0 into Q0. So, simplify this, we will get the index value under the arithmetic mean. Like that, geometric mean, it is anti-log of summation of log P into weights divided by summation of weights. We will simplify this. So, this is the case. So, compute the price index from the following data by applying the weighted average price relatives method. So, this is the method is very important, under that arithmetic mean and geometric mean value. So, commodity is given A, B, C, then base year price, base year quantity, then current year price is given. Current year price nothing but P1, base year price is Q0, P0, then base year quantity is Q0. So, you have to apply this. Based on this, you have to calculate the P value. P value is nothing but P1 divided by P0 into 100. So, that is 8 divided by 6 into 100. So, 133.33. Then for the 3.22 divided by 3 into 100, 106.66. 3 divided by 2 into 100, 150. So, summation of these 389.99. So, weights will get the calculation of multiplication of P0 into Q0. So, that is 6 into 4, 6 into 40, 240, 3 into 80, 240, 2 into 20, 40. Summation of these 520 is the weights of summation of weights. then P into W, that is a P and a W, multiplication of these two, 133.33 into 240, 31,999.2, then 106.66 into 240, 25,598.4, 150 into 40, that is a 6,000. Summation of P into W is 63,597.6. Then based on this, to calculate the index value under what is that arithmetic mean basis. So arithmetic mean basis of index value, that is P01 equals summation of P into W, PW divided by summation of W. So that is summation of PW is 63,597.6 divided by PW is 520. So simplify this, 122.3, 122.3 is nothing but so the index value under arithmetic mean. So it is increased 22.3% of base year, so under the arithmetic mean basis. Like that, geometric mean of index value. So geometric mean, that is a P01 equals anti-log of log P into weights divided by summation of weights. So we will get the, simplify this, we will get the what is the index value. Now here anti-log, so that is so you have to log P has to calculate, P is already is there, so as to log P is 130, log of 133.33 will get 2.1249. So log of 106.66 is 2.028, log of 150 is 2.176. So summation of log P is 6.3289. Like that, log P is calculated, then weights is calculated, log P into weights, that is we will get log PW, that is 2.1249 into 240, so 509.97. So second one is 2.0280 into 240, 486.69, and the third one is commodity C is 2.760 into 40, so 87.40. Summation of log PW is 1083.1761. So that is the formula. Your index value under geometric mean value, anti-log of summation of log P into weights divided by to summation of weights. So anti-log of 1083, that is a log P into W. Log P into W is calculated 1083.1716 divided by, so summation of weights is 520. Then anti-log of simplify this, so 2.0840, then anti-log of this 121. So here it indicated, so 21.3% of so price relatives are increases compared to the base year and current year. So this is the a solution under the what is that weighted average price relatives methods. So this is not more important under as per your syllabus. So I have to give the importance for these four methods, that is Laspier's, Pasteur's, Fisher index and Marshall and Edwards method. So this is the complete picture about the index number chapter, that is model number 5. So as per the your syllabus, entire the syllabus, the theoretical information, that is the index number, meaning and definitions, uses of index number, advantages of index number, and various methods of index number. So under that various methods, so simple index method and weighted index method, under simple index method, simple aggregative method, and simple what is that simple average price relatives method. So we already work out the problems. So in the various sessions, and this sessions, that is weighted index, under that weighted average aggregative method and weighted average price relatives method. So last session, in the previous session, we discussed and worked out the various problems with related to Laspier's method, Pasteur's method, Fisher index method, and Marshall and Edwards method. So and also it is not important, but it is one of the method of index number. So therefore we work out some case study with relevant to the weighted average price relatives method, under that two, that is arithmetic mean basis and geometric mean basis. So arithmetic mean basis W into P, that is that sigma PW divided by sigma W. So they have to simplify this, will get the anti-log of what is that arithmetic mean of price relatives index methods. So geometric mean basis, that is anti-log of summation of log P into W divided by, so summation of W will get the geometric mean of index number. This is the entire the summary of the index number module number 5 as per the your syllabus. Thank you for hearing the entire what is that the module number 5. So that is as per as per your syllabus, the questions you will raise it in the your internal marks, internal exams, and also in the external. So whatever the questions will raise it in the examinations, that all the questions are worked out and shown in the all in the different methods. So you have to work out the more and more problems. You have any clarification and any doubts, we can so raise the questions under interactive sessions or live classes. So thank you.